Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to sharpen a photo in Adobe Lightroom. First, open your Adobe Lightroom app. Here, tap on All Photos, and Adobe Lightroom will take you to its library where you can add and edit any photo that you'd like. Now simply tap on the photo you'd like to edit, and you will see many options on the bottom bar. Simply slide through the options and you will see Detail. Tap on that and you'll see Sharpening as your first option. Here you can simply adjust how much you want to sharpen your image. And here's a quick tip. If you like to adjust, like increase or decrease your sharpening level by a small amount, you can simply tap on right to increase or tap on left to decrease your sharpening amount by 2 points. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.